In this visual demonstration, we'll see how to set up email signatures in the iOS Mail app, also known as the iPhone Mail app. Open your signature in your browser. Long press anywhere within the signature and carefully copy all of it. Open your iPhone Settings app. Search for Mail and select the Mail app. Now scroll down and find Signature. Tap on Signatures. Long press in the signature box, then tap Paste. Shake your phone to undo Change Attributes. Go back and it will be automatically saved. Now, if you tap on New Email, you'll see your signature ready for use in your emails. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.